cups have water with food coloring in it.
The front cups have oil in them.
Wait, why is there green bubbles?
Someone gonna do blue.
I'll have the red out.
I want mine to be super red too.
Now green. There's
Yeah.
some colorful bubbles.
Dwop, 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 dwop. Was that good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like mine? Whoa, let's see the bottom bubbles. There's two reds. The water has now colored bubbles.
Ooh, this looks cool. Now I'm stuffing it into the cup. Now I'm going to put it into the water. Let's see if it's dry or wet. It's dry.
It's full.
Pour my drink, please. My drink. Stay, that's amazing.
Leave it there for ages.
And now I want to see if it stays.
I'm going to wrench this hole into a bowl. It's really hard.
it's unfolding.
This is amazing. Whoa, when I did that, I just unfolded. Mine. Let's get out.
Please subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos for you. Don't forget to give our videos a big thumbs up.